So the first example that I will give would be the one that caught Novillas. As you can see, there's a pattern here. There is small and big leaves. You can see it closely. There's a pattern here. Then next would be this snake plant. As you can see, there's also a pattern here with the leaves. Then next would be this plant. I don't recall what is its name, but as you can see, there's also a pattern here. There are big and small leaves. If you look closely, there's a pattern within these plants. So this would be all of my examples for this video. Thank you. Based from my observation, I noticed that there's a lot of patterns and there's a lot of different types of what do you call this? No. Technically, there's a lot of patterns around us, especially in nature, because nature is unique. And one thing is for sure, the Fibonacci sequence is just there. If you just observe it wisely on the different types of plants and rocks, you can see there's a lot of patterns. That's all. Thank you. And my name is Martin Novillas from BTM 41.